Yeah, here I am at the Michael Cruz Castle, the ruin at the top of Servos. It's an amazing day. I've come up here with the 4 furries that I'm looking after, and we've walked up from the forest from Servos. Bit of history. It was built centuries ago to protect the valley. And a couple of rituals and things happened here as well, ceremonies, but now obviously it's not happening anymore, and it's just this lovely ruin on top of a hill. The highway is kind of down there, and if you're coming into the Chamonix Valley and you pass the turning to Servos and you look to your left, you'll see a castle ruin on the hill. That's where I am. Anyway, have a lovely day whatever you're up to, and I'm going to continue having this awesome adventure that I'm on this afternoon. Bye. Where are we? I'm just looking over Servos, walking through the forest. This is the way back down from the castle. Just love being in forests. Brotherly love. Look at this one. That's Nacho's brother. That's Nacho's brother. Having a little roll around. There's Jazzy. Ah, Nacho! There's Jazzy. Nacho's leaping back here. Jenga, the star. A little play fight. Yeah, nice one. Great. Loving it. Loving it.